There's also a way to put this game on computers. You can develop it as a board game. The idea is to think about, well, how can we use this as a tool so that the kids really become literate about their numbers. What I'm particularly interested in is whether we can help young black students and poor students, Mexican American, Latino students, change their own image of themselves as students and learners, and thereby also change the country's image of them, right?
Get a load of that!
Now, what they will learn is multiplication facts, and they will learn about numbers that are not in the multiplication table. So 51 isn't in the multiplication table, 91 isn't in the multiplication table. So there are a lot of numbers on your way to 144 that are not in the multiplication table. It's much more fundamental than learning an arbitrary list of words to compete in a spelling bee. So it really lays a foundation for their study of mathematics that otherwise they certainly won't get by memorizing multiplication tables. And if you think about the charge that, well, why can't these kids multiply? And of course, that charge is aimed at the dysfunctionality of the kids, not the dysfunctionality of how you are teaching them and how you are introducing them to numbers and how you are trying to make numbers something which they have some reason, which is a child's reason for learning about them, not the grown-up's reason for learning about them, but the child's reason for learning about them, that they want to play and they want to have fun, right? And so how can you join those two things with the learning about their numbers?
745.
745, okay. That's red, yellow, red, yes. We got red, yellow, red. Where is it? Red, yellow, red. Okay, great. Okay.
And C.
Well, only one, so only one counts, right?
Here, 5, 9, 5, 9, 6. The
game can be used to begin to track how students think about their numbers and what strategies they have in their minds, right? To do that, you have to counter a very strong tradition in this country, which is to tell kids what the answer is and to tell them the rules. And even some of our students want to tell the kids the rules. All right, we're on a roll here. All right. We're trying to do something different, which is push them to enjoy something, and because they enjoy it, they want to learn about it. If we can get a tradition where people agree that it's more important for the kids to think about their own strategies and their own rules, whether they're right or wrong, because it doesn't matter whether the students' rules are right or wrong, to play the game at this level. And so they learn to play it as third graders or fourth graders with the numbers from 2 to 10, and then they want to enter a tournament where the numbers are from 2 to 20, right? Or you want to go to a tournament where the numbers are from 2 to 30, right? So if you have these tournaments at different levels and the kids want to enter into them and play them, then they've got to have some either really well-honed memory, or they're working to get their rules, right? So part of the problem will be because the kids, that the rules are kept secret. That's a big problem, right? All right, so take it up to Herb over there and show him, right? Herb, right there, the announcer.
It was wild. In a way, that's what we want. We want it to be wild because we want them to learn in a fun, more relaxed, environment instead of just two-dimensional learning. We're learning with just a book and paper. So they're doing this, they're playing these games, and they caught on real fast. on how to group the numbers 2 through 10. Now we didn't go all the way to 100 like we normally do. This is our first time doing it like this. So, but through the numbers 2 through 10, they caught on real fast. And that was the exciting thing to see. And just seeing them run out there like that, it was chaotic, but it was controlled chaos. What is that?